Folks, this is Will with MarineMax here in Jax Beach, and I'm in front of the all-new Boston Whaler Montauk 150. This is where it all began for Boston Whaler. The Montauk line, it was designed to give you a multi-purpose aspect on boating. Not only is it unsinkable, but if you look at the actual layout of the boat and how it's configured inside, it's very simple, it's very easy to maneuver, very easy inside the main center console area. This particular boat is outfitted with a couple additional optional features that I wanted to point out. From starting with the trailer, all Montauk lines come with the trailer on board, which is a nice additional add on boats like this. If you look back here in the transom, you'll see that this boat comes with a live well with rod holders back here in the back. That is an option for that type of configuration. You have your helm seat here, which is transitional back both stern and forward. And as we move up into the bow, you'll notice that this boat is actually also outfitted with trolling motor hookups already pre-wired. There's not much on this boat that you would need to get started on the water today. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. My number is area code 904-780-1603. I would love to take you out on the water to see how this boat handles in real conditions on the intercoastal. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.